Today we discuss about the hybridization of CO, that means carbon monoxide. Here carbon monoxide 2 dot, that means lone pair electron, C triple bond, oxygen lone pair electron. We know that the atomic number of carbon is 6. The electron number 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. These 2s2 and 2px1 mixed with each other and form sp hybridized orbital, and this 2py1 and 2pz0, these two is non-hybridized orbital. Similarly, oxygen 8, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz2. These 2s2 and 2px1 both orbital mixed with each other and form sp hybridized orbital, and these 2py1 and 2pz2, these two are non-hybridized orbital. Now we are here observing the orbital diagram of carbon monoxide. Here these and these are hybridized sp orbital. These two hybridized orbital having one lone pair electron and one non lone pair electron, that means one lone pair electron, one unpaired electron. Now we see this is carbon, this is hybridized orbital having one lone pair of electron. This is also hybridized orbital having one unpaired electron. This orbital and this orbital, this two orbital is non-hybridized orbital having 2py, having one electron, and another is empty orbital. One has one electron but the another totally empty orbital. Similarly, in case of oxygen, this the hybridized orbital, both of the hybridized orbital, one have one lone pair electron and another has one unpaired electron. Now this is the oxygen, this is the hybridized orbital having one lone pair electron, this is another one hybridized orbital having one unpaired electron. This orbital carbon, this orbital oxygen makes head on overlapping and form sigma bond. On the other hand, carbon has non-hybridized orbital having one electron, and oxygen has one unhybridized orbital has one electron. This orbital and this orbital side by side overlap form pi bond, and carbon, which has one vacant orbital, that is also non-hybridized orbital, this is vacant 2pz0. On the other hand, oxygen, this is oxygen has unhybridized non-hybridized orbital, this non-hybridized orbital having two electron, that is lone pair of electron. This orbital consists of two electron, lone pair of electron, but this orbital carbon orbital, this is totally empty orbital. So this orbital and this orbital side by side overlapped and form pi bond. Here we see that this is the vacant orbital, this is the lone pair electron orbital. This lone pair electron is share from one side but form pi bond. But this pi bond sharing both electron, both of these orbital, carbon orbital and oxygen orbital. But here this is the empty orbital, this is the field orbital, lone pair field orbital. The sharing of this orbital like dative bond. So very simply we can say that this is two electron, this is two electron, this is carbon, this is carbon, this is sigma bond, pi bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, pi bond. This is oxygen, this is oxygen, this is lone pair electron, this is lone pair. This is the things of the hybridization of the carbon monoxide. Thank you very much.